It's one of those cold, crispy days that calls for something warm and hearty. So today we're making chicken noodle soup, but not just any soup. Though this one is simmering away for hours, filling the van with the cozy aroma. I had these veggies prepped and frozen for days like this. Celery, carrots, and garlic, as well as the chicken was diced and cubed and ready to go. Ready for a day like today. While the soup slowly simmers for the next 3 hours, it's a perfect time to unwind. Today, that means diving into a good book on Audible and getting creative. Repurposing some old paracord into bracelets. It's a small project, but it's one of those little things that bring joy in the simplicity of van life. Days like these remind me why I love this lifestyle. A warm meal on the stove, a creative project in the hand, and quiet moments that let you appreciate it all. No cell service, a pretty blue sky, and the sun shining bright, surrounded by a snow-covered landscape. I knew I kept these scraps for a reason. I don't like throwing things away, especially things like this. I could make a bunch of mini bracelets. Basic, easy bracelets, but they still look cool. That wasn't so graceful. Whoops. Welcome back, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm having a great day. I've just been watching some Netflix this morning. I woke up late, I slept in because it was just such a good sleep out here. I don't know what it is. So work on something I haven't done in a while. So I pulled out my bracelets, my paracord bracelet making material, and I'm just gonna go through and sit here and relax. Enjoy this beautiful view. Almost makes me wonder why I didn't bring the boat, because it's so pretty out here. You know, just a little tiny little buddy heater and a propane tank, and just go fishing out in the boat. That would be awesome. Yeah, we're gonna hang out, nice cozy warm van, make some bracelets, make some chicken noodle soup. So I got the chicken all cut up already, pre-cut up, frozen from another time, I don't know, it was like a month or two ago. Got that all prepared. We've got some vegetables, got some carrots and celery. Basically I just threw in 2 chicken bouillon stocks cubes or whatever, getting that all prepared, and now it's just gonna simmer away. Started nice and early. It's 2 o'clock, so we're gonna enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the view, make some bracelets while we cook some chicken noodle soup. Yeah, it's 25 degrees Celsius in the van, 13% humidity. It's pretty dry in here, so that should add some moisture into the air. And the temperature outside, according to my thermometer, is 1 degree, which I believe is like 33 Fahrenheit or something like that, but yeah. All right, we're gonna make some bracelets. reading a book on Audible called Navigators of Dune in preparation to watch the Dune Prophecy again, just so I can make more sense of it and get all like the entire grasp of the entire Dune series and their world. It's quite interesting. So I got all my bracelets finished up. Well, all the ones that I pulled out. I probably got a few more in here, but I'll pull them out later. I'm gonna get these all tied off, cut up, but figure we'll take a little break and have a little bit of tuna and crackers. Well, I'm gonna finish my little rice crackers and tuna, and we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Forgetfulness is a blessing.
I got 32 bracelets done, so put those in my little bag of finished ones. Yeah, that was fun. It's already getting dark outside. We're gonna go set up a time lapse here in a few minutes. I think my chicken noodle soup's just about done. I think put some noodles in it. It'll be done. It's been cooking for 3 hours, so. All right, let's go dig out some noodles. Myself some noodles. I'll throw them in my little bowl. And it'll be ready in 4 minutes. Ah, look at that. 4:56, so it'll be ready at 5 o'clock on the dot. And then I'm gonna have to let it sit for about half an hour and cool down because it's gonna be blazing hot. Come on with me, guys. Let's go on a little adventure. Oh, she's a little slippery now. Oh yeah, there's the moon. That's exactly what I was looking for. Or I mean, not looking for. Got the time lapse going. Beautiful moonlight though. That might even be a full moon, eh? So pretty. Yeah, we're gonna go back to the van and enjoy our cup of soup. Enjoy our bowl of soup, I mean. It is cold tonight. Oh man, is it ever cold out there? I'm ever thankful to be in this van. And to think that I slept in my car at minus 35 is ridiculous. I can't believe I did that. It was like one of the best sleeps of my life. She's definitely going to be a cold one tonight. Time to eat. Oh, this looks so good. Oh yeah. Oh, this is so good. Well, while I eat this, you guys can watch whatever I catch on the camera. thanks for sticking around in my little winter version of hiding out in the van for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up on the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for all the newcomers. Welcome to the channel. And we'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.